We begin with news of a Cleveland City Councilman pushing for answers 2 months after an apartment explosion that left a man dead. He says the investigation is taking far too long, and he's demanding answers from city leaders. That blast in Cleveland's Garden Valley neighborhood also displaced dozens of residents. Our Amaya Ward is live from City Hall with the latest on this. Amaya, good evening.
Good evening, Russ. Councilman Richard Starr says it's been over 63 days since that deadly explosion and still no clear answers on what caused it. Tonight, he's calling on the mayor and city officials inside this building to stop dragging their feet and start delivering transparency. The explosion rocked the Rainbow Terrace Apartments on June 23rd, tearing through the complex, killing Cordale Sheffield and forcing other residents to evacuate the complex. Now, more than 2 months later, Councilman Richard Starr says the city owes this community some answers.
So there's no actual accountability, and I've continuously asked building and housing for the city of Cleveland to follow through, and nothing has been done.
In a letter to Mayor Justin Bibb, Starr says he requested a full investigation report back in July. But as of today, there's been no update from the Division of Fire or Building and Housing.
When you look at other locations and you look at other fires that have taken place in the city of Cleveland, we've got an update and a report as quickly as 2 weeks, as quickly as days.
Starr also wants to know whether residents' reports of gas smells before the explosion were ever documented or investigated. He says the management company has long ignored serious safety and health issues in the Rainbow Terrace complex. One resident says he continues to live with mold and water damage despite repeated complaints.
When residents were saying they've been living without water, I've been going into apartments when residents who need ADA compliance to be available for them, living in an apartment building where they don't got it in compliance.
The city sent us a statement in response saying in part, the Division of Fire has poured extensive resources and countless hours into this investigation, following up on leads, working with consultants, and conducting testing. The cause remains undetermined as we await final testing results. The city also says the landlord is required to fix all issues found inside the apartment or could face legal action.
But I live here. I live here, and these residents live here, and they need to be able to have the same things you get when you go home.
Starr's demanding the city conducts inspection of all 468 units. He's giving the city until Friday to respond. Russ.
Okay, Amaya Ward at Cleveland City Hall. Thank you.